Today I will show you how to use academics as a teacher. So first thing you need to do as a teacher is first you will open your Google Chrome, click your profile in the Chrome, let's say in here, and you will search academics in the website and you will log in first. Let's say let's use my email as a teacher, Gmail as a teacher. So let's say I have here, and you will write or you will type your password. Wait for a while. Let's try. So after you will log in the academics, this is what you will see. So first is if you are a teacher, you have so of course you have students. So first is you will manage or you will click the manage students. So let's see again. Let's click the manage students, or let's say we have a group student. You have a lot of students handling sections, other sections. So first is you need to click the grade 3 red. So here, so you will just add in the student, since we already created a group. This is how you will create. Let's create group. So for example, grade 2 yellow. So now you have a group. So first is to add a group, you can upload spreadsheet or add students individually or manually. So let's do the manually. First we have Trisha Sabal. Trisha Sabal. Let's do the, since we are a teacher and our students is or our students are underage, so they don't have phone. So we will be the one teachers who will create their account. So first is Trisha. Trisha is their username and their password. It would be Sabal. So it is easier for them to remember. So let's say they are grade 2. And you will choose a group. Which group are they? Group grade 2 or grade 3? Let's say Trisha Sabal is a grade 2. So let's enroll here. So now after that, so you will just repeat the process until you finished all your students. After that, you'll go back to home. Go back to home. After you have your students, or after you enroll your students, you will assign a game. So let's say our topic is, let's create a new assignment. Let's say our topic is addition. You will add just addition for grade 2. Addition for grade 2. So now our game content is addition, just like our title. So now we will choose what kind of game. We have the tug of war, alien edition, canoe puppies, four-wheel fracas, jet ski edition, or kitten match. You will just choose the game based on your students. So let's say we have alien edition. After that, to then assign to, which you will assign to in grade 2. Let's say grade 2. Grade 2. Now it is active. Now our preference, it should be active now and show leadership, so that we can know that who is the who got many scores and who got the lowest score. So now after that, you will save this. And after that, the student will open their account from what you will from what did you do or what you make their account through this the managed students. And then after you will publish that game, then the students can already or can see the availability of that game. So let's say let's first let me show you how this works. So let's say log out. We will try the to log in the student Trisha Sabal. So there you go. I have already assigned the subject, or they will only choose here. Only Trisha Sabal can answer this alien addition that I assigned to that game. And after Trisha Sabal will answer that game, and then as a teacher, you will be, I will see the progress of that game through here, through here. But as if we see the analyzed report, we need to pay $5 to see the progress of each student. So that would be all. Thank you.